Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So I know it's a little cramped, it's a little awkward. I'm sitting in the car, but I wanted to show you. I got this new GTR push start. I know it's just like one of those things that my car has a red interior, but it has this lovely white-ish, clearish kind of push start, and I want to change it out, and it's a fairly easy process. I just want to show you, since why not, but check it out. So you have to buy yourself something like this or like this, where it's a hard plastic so you don't damage your interior. There we go. So the thing is you want to be really careful. I don't want to damage my interior popping it out. There we go. So you just pry this behind. It comes right out, as you can see. So if you look, there's a little push right here. I just pushed it in to pop this out. So you have the front. See this outside ring? This outside ring is what I had to put the pry bar behind to pop it out. But I want to be careful with my dash, because the dash is like a soft, smooth material that I can dig into, and it would leave marks. All right, so for this, it's not these. Let's see if you can see this. It's not these. This and this. These are to actually hold the whole piece in. Right here in the center, there's a little spot you push in, and same on the other side. So you just push those in and push forward, and it slides right out. So take that out, put that in, slides right in, bam, right into place. Then just go ahead and line this back up. If it'll go in. There you go. And then push all that cabling back through. And there you have it. So now you have this in there. It's that simple. You just pry out right here where you can get the edge, pop it out, pop this out. See these little push in? This is what you're pushing in. So you push that in, pop this out. There's a little push in that you push in to pull the bracket out, and there you go. That's simple.